But yeah, dude. No, one of them worked on my mat, and I was like, the one that's working on your mat right now. 12:30. 12:30. Oh.
That's it?
Right now it's 12:30.
That's it.
Yeah. We still. I don't think we're gonna get a lunch break, and it's making me very upset.
Well, no, you probably won't. What you probably need to do is, you need to go and bring it back. No, I'm sorry, you stay.
No! Come on, she can do it.
Bring back 2 plates. Oh, heck to the no.
You can do it, come on. Okay, G. Well, enjoy your hot boys and hot refs. Okay, bye. That's no fun. I feel like I love working these, but it's just like, no, like, and it gets tiring sitting here constantly doing the same thing. That's why I like lunch, because you get a break and get to talk to your friends and everything. And we're solid. Dang. Don't walk. Yeah, I'm just like, I'm really hungry and I want food, please. Weird. He just kept pumping his I was like, okay. Yeah, he went like, you can't go under both arms and like have that. Yeah, I got called on that once and I was so upset. I was like, the head throughout the and he gets the leg. Oh. Do we need a trainer? Ref, do we need a trainer? What? I don't know. Normally they're sitting around here, but